Alright guys, up in the mountains, having a bit of fun. Alright, let's go. Right guys, ooh, dropped my nuts. Alright, quick pocket dump. Pull the visor up. Alright, so we're on the Honda 650. Great bike, single cylinder, little beast, take me anywhere. Alright, what we're carrying today, pocket dump. We got a cold steel. Hang on, let me adjust my camera. Cold steel SR1 light, and this is a clip point version. Lock back, yeah, look how thick that blade is, really. Beautiful blade. Bargain knives these. Check these out, I'll put a link down below. I think I paid, I don't remember, less than 40 bucks, 30 something bucks. Droppy shot out the box, awesome. Great bit of kit. And front right pocket we got a bigger cold steel Voyager XL, and this one's in Tanto. And this has been my bike knife for quite a few years now. Again, this one's also droppy shut, and the triad lock as well. And you compare the two, yeah, there's the SR1, which is a 4-inch blade, and the Voyager XL, I think, is a 6-inch blade. Yeah, I think let's compare the two there. SR1 4-inch blade, Voyager 6-inch blade. Anyway, both great knives. I think this one is I don't remember. I think it's OS 10, and this one is HCR 13 MOV. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Been a while since I put a video up, but I'm still alive and kicking, and thanks to you guys that have been asking about me. I just haven't been so busy. I'm having a little break from YouTube for a little while. You need a break now and then. Oh, I do. Alright, catch you later guys.